Finding the perfect gel nail polish can be a challenge with so many options on the market. Whether you're looking for vibrant colors, long-lasting wear, or easy application, it's important to choose a gel polish that fits your needs. In today's video, we'll review the top 5 gel nail polishes that stand out in quality, performance, and value. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these options will help you achieve the perfect manicure. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, OPI GelColor. OPI GelColor is a professional-grade gel nail polish known for its rich colors, high shine, and long-lasting results. As one of the most popular gel polish brands in salons, OPI offers a wide range of shades that cater to all skin tones and occasions. The GelColor line is designed to provide a durable and glossy finish that lasts for up to 2 weeks without chipping. Key features: OPI GelColor uses a unique formula that delivers vibrant, full-coverage color with a smooth, easy-to-apply finish. It is formulated to resist fading and chipping, ensuring that your nails stay fresh and glossy. The product is designed for salon-quality results, with a curing time of just 30 seconds under a UV lamp. OPI's extensive shade range means there's a perfect color for everyone, from bold reds to soft neutrals. Benefits and usage: OPI GelColor provides professional-grade results, offering long-lasting wear and high shine. To apply, start with a base coat, followed by 2 layers of GelColor, and finish with a top coat. Each layer is cured for 30 seconds under a UV or LED light, ensuring the polish is fully set. The formula is designed to resist chips, scratches, and fading, making it perfect for those looking for a manicure that lasts. Usability: the application process is straightforward, making it ideal for both professional and at-home use. The brush allows for smooth, even application, and the formula glides on easily without streaking or bubbling. OPI GelColor is compatible with both UV and LED lamps, making it versatile for any nail care setup. It also removes easily with the right soak-off technique, ensuring a hassle-free removal process. Durability: OPI GelColor is renowned for its durability. When applied correctly, the polish can last up to 2 weeks without chipping or losing its shine. The color stays vibrant, and the glossy finish remains intact throughout the wear, even for individuals with an active lifestyle. For long-lasting results, ensure proper prep and curing to get the most out of your manicure. In the second spot, we have Gelish Harmony. Gelish Harmony is a leading brand in the gel polish market, known for its high-quality formula and exceptional performance. Gelish offers a wide variety of shades and finishes, and its gel polishes are designed for long-lasting, chip-free wear. The Gelish Harmony line provides professional results that can be achieved easily at home or in a salon setting. Key features: Gelish Harmony features a flexible formula that provides a glossy finish and vibrant color. The polish is designed to remain chip-free for up to 3 weeks, providing a durable and high-quality manicure. The brush is designed for precision, allowing for smooth, streak-free application. The product is UV curable, ensuring that the polish hardens quickly and evenly. Benefits and usage: Gelish Harmony gel polishes are known for their long-lasting results and vibrant colors. For best results, apply a thin layer of Gelish Harmony base coat, followed by 2 coats of the color polish, and finish with a Gelish top coat. Each layer needs to be cured under a UV or LED light to ensure it sets properly. The polish dries quickly, leaving you with a glossy and chip-resistant finish. Usability: the Gelish Harmony line is designed for ease of use, with a smooth application process that ensures a salon-quality manicure. The brush is wide, making it easier to apply the polish evenly without streaks or uneven coverage. Gelish Harmony polishes are compatible with UV and LED lamps, ensuring a fast and effective curing process for both professional and at-home use. Durability: one of the standout features of Gelish Harmony is its impressive durability. With proper application and curing, Gelish Harmony can last up to 3 weeks without chipping, peeling, or fading. Its chip-resistant formula ensures that your manicure stays flawless, even with daily wear and tear. Gelish Harmony is perfect for those seeking long-lasting results that maintain their high shine and color for weeks. Coming in at number 3 is the Essie Gel Couture. Essie Gel Couture is a gel nail polish line that combines the ease of traditional polish with the benefits of a gel manicure. This formula provides a salon-quality finish with no UV lamp required, making it ideal for those who want a quick and easy gel manicure at home. Essie's Gel Couture line offers an impressive array of shades and delivers up to 14 days of wear without chipping or fading. Key features: Essie Gel Couture is designed to provide long-lasting wear with a glossy, chip-resistant finish. Unlike traditional gel polishes, this product doesn't require a UV lamp for curing. The formula is self-leveling, ensuring smooth, even coverage. Essie Gel Couture features a unique brush design that makes it easier to apply the polish, providing precision with every stroke. Benefits and usage: the Essie Gel Couture system includes a color polish and a top coat for a high-gloss finish. To use, simply apply the Gel Couture color polish in 2 coats, followed by the Gel Couture top coat for added shine and protection. The formula is quick-drying, and the manicure can be completed in less time than traditional gel applications, making it perfect for those in a rush. Usability: Essie Gel Couture is incredibly user-friendly, offering a streamlined process for achieving a professional quality gel manicure at home. The wide brush makes application quick and smooth, and the formula is easy to work with. The best part is that you don't need a UV or LED lamp, making it more convenient and accessible for at-home users. Durability: Essie Gel Couture offers excellent durability, providing up to 14 days of chip-resistant wear. The formula is designed to resist fading and chipping, ensuring that your nails look perfect throughout the duration of your manicure. For long-lasting results, be sure to apply 2 coats of color and finish with the Gel Couture top coat. Taking our 4th spot is Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. Sally Hansen Miracle Gel is an easy-to-use gel polish that provides long-lasting wear without the need for a UV light. This innovative product is designed to give you a salon-quality gel manicure with minimal effort. The Miracle Gel line offers a wide range of colors and promises up to 14 days of chip-resistant wear. Key features: Sally Hansen Miracle Gel is formulated with a unique 2-step system that includes the Miracle GelColor and a top coat. The polish is designed to cure naturally under ambient light, eliminating the need for UV lamps. The formula is enriched with a gel-like shine that provides a glossy finish and resists chipping. The brush is wide and rounded for easy application. Benefits and usage: Sally Hansen Miracle Gel provides a quick and easy gel manicure without the need for a UV lamp. For the best results, apply 2 coats of the Miracle GelColor, followed by 1 coat of the Miracle Gel top coat. The formula dries quickly, leaving you with a smooth, glossy finish that lasts for up to 2 weeks. Usability: Sally Hansen Miracle Gel is ideal for those who want the benefits of a gel manicure without the hassle of curing with a UV light. The wide brush ensures easy and even application, while the polish glides on smoothly. With its quick drying time, you can achieve a professional-looking manicure in the comfort of your home. Durability: Sally Hansen Miracle Gel is known for its durability. The 2-step system provides up to 14 days of wear without chipping, cracking, or fading. The high-gloss finish remains intact for the entire duration of the manicure, making it a great choice for those looking for a long-lasting and low-maintenance gel polish. And finally, at number 5, we have Kiara Sky Gel Polish. Kiara Sky Gel Polish is a professional-grade gel polish that offers vibrant colors, high shine, and long-lasting wear. Known for its high-quality formula, Kiara Sky provides a smooth, streak-free application and is perfect for both professional salons and at-home users. With an extensive range of shades, Kiara Sky delivers salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Key features: Kiara Sky Gel Polish is made with a highly pigmented formula that ensures full coverage with just 1 coat. It is easy to apply and offers a smooth, glossy finish. The polish cures quickly under both UV and LED lamps, making the application process fast and efficient. Kiara Sky also offers a wide variety of colors and finishes, from glossy to matte, to suit every taste. Benefits and usage. Kiara Sky Gel Polish delivers a long-lasting, chip-free manicure that stays vibrant for weeks. For the best results, apply a base coat, followed by 2 coats of color polish, and finish with a top coat. Each layer is cured under a UV or LED lamp for long-lasting, professional-grade results. Usability. The formula is smooth and easy to apply, with a brush that ensures even coverage. Kiara Sky Gel Polish is compatible with both UV and LED lamps, making it versatile for different nail care setups. The polish cures quickly, reducing the time needed for your manicure. Durability. Kiara Sky Gel Polish is designed to last for up to 3 weeks without chipping or fading. The formula provides a durable finish that resists scratches, ensuring your nails stay glossy and vibrant. With proper application and curing, you can expect a chip-free manicure for weeks. Choosing the right gel nail polish can make all the difference in achieving a long-lasting, beautiful manicure. Whether you prefer a professional-grade formula like OPI GelColor or a UV-free option like Essie Gel Couture, each of these products offers excellent results. With proper application and care, your nails will stay perfect for weeks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tips.